Yes, yes. It's one of my favorite trails. It's a short one, but it's fun. All right. There you go. Keep going. There you go. There you go. You're up. I heard a big boulder. Yeah, send it a little bit. Just a little. There you go. Now go. That's the right line. Go straight. You're okay. Mr. Rockwell. Yeah, you're gonna have to give it a little hell to get up here. There you go, just a bit. There you go. Nice. All right, it made through, folks. Beauty.